Hello guys, yeah. So I said to make this video so I'll be able to show you the scalping technique on Euro USD. As you can see, I trade only two pairs Euro USD. Basically I trade only one pair GPP USD, but because of this scalping technique I just placed Euro USD there, and I'll show you this how to scalp on Euro USD. You can actually try the scalping technique on other pairs too and see how well it works. But Euro USD is the best pair for scalping, the best scalping pair. So that's why I'm using it on Euro USD. All right, let's move up ahead, and I'll show you. Now you can see it's moving average on my charts. There's a strategy I use on moving average, a scalping strategy as well, but I'm not going to talk about that on this video. I'll talk about it on my next video. But on this video, so let's do some scalping with the technique, the price action technique. This is not indicator, we're not using any indicator on this strategy, and it works 90% of the time. Remember, no strategy is a holy grail. That's why I said it works 90% of the time. Now we have to look for the candlestick. Just like I told you earlier, this is the candlestick 10:05. Now you count 5 candlestick from 10:05, which is 10:05, 10:06, 10:07, 10:08, and 10:09 on the 1 minute time frame. This strategy only works on 1 minute time frame, right? So once you're done counting it, you count the next 5 candlestick, and now let's go through it step by step. You mark the high and the lows of this first 5. You can try it on 9:05, 10:05, 11:05, 12:05, and so on like that. Or you can try it on the pairs of 5, like pairs that can be pairs time that can be divided by 5. Like 9:05 is a multiple of 5, 9:10 is a multiple of 5, 15, 20, and so on like that. So let's try from 9:05, but I prefer you do it on 9:05, 10:05, 11:05. Now let me show you how it works. Now you've marked the high and the low of these 5 candlesticks, right? Now let's count it together. The next 5, 1, 2, 3. Now you can see that this third candlestick, it broke the high, the low of it. So since it broke the low, we are looking to sell. Yeah, as mean it broke it upward, we'll be looking to buy. Now the selling we are selling is, once you see the break, we sell on the next candlestick opening. Now you know a sell price opens from top and closes below, so that's where we put the trade. We put our stop loss at the bottom of the candlestick that broke it, and we put our take profit 1:1. Wherever the stop loss give us, you can see it gave us 10 points, which is 1 pip. So we'll put our take profit as 1 pip as well. You can see it. So we can see our stop loss give us 1 pip, so our take profit should be 1 pip as well, because this strategy will work on 1:1. You can do 1:1.5, you can do 1:2, but the way I'm teaching you right now, please follow it. You can, whatever you do apart from this, you can do 1:2, 1:1.5. If you do that, know that the risk is up to you. But for the sake of this class, I'm doing it 1:1. All right. So 1:1, you can see that we hit our take profits on the sell trade. It didn't take our stop loss. Look at it very well. It didn't take our stop loss. It took us on this candlestick. Now, since it took us on this candlestick is no more valid. From that place to this place is no more valid. So if we want to count our next 5, we look for the next multiple of 5 that is in front of this candlestick, not behind it. We have to go ahead, because anything behind it is expired, is not more valid. That means you want to put yourself at risk. So go ahead in time. Apart from that place you hit your take profit, go ahead to the next multiple of 5 candlestick that is formed. The next one will be 10:20, right? 20 is a multiple of 5, so 10:20. So we can't do 10, 11, 10, 12 or so like that, because they are not multiple of 5. So 10:20 is a multiple of 5. Now we use 10:15 because it broke it at 10:15, and 10:15 is no more valid. So we go to 10:20. So let's create our top and bottom. You can use a line a horizontal line to mark the top and the bottom of those 5, or you can use the square. You can do it the way I did it, or you can use horizontal line, all the same. If it breaks it above the horizontal line, you know it's a buy. If it breaks it below the horizontal line, you know it's a sell. If you use the square, the rectangle, just like me, if it breaks above, you know it's a buy. If it breaks below, you know it's a sell. Now let's do it together, right? From 10-20, right? Let's put our rectangle. Yeah. So guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. Subscribe, and share this video. Also comment if you have anything to say about the strategy, if it works or not. Comment, guys, so I'll be able to know how to add it to my next video, the correction or anything else. All right. Yeah, so this is it. You get the high, you get the low. All right. This is it. So let's count the next 5 candles. Remember, we are only counting 5. And if you can't count more than 5, because if the next 5 doesn't break it, then that trade is no more valid. We move to the next 5. So let's count together. You can see that no one broke it. So let's move to the next 5. Now, because no one broke it, so we have to count from the next 5, because assuming one broke it, then it will either give us a buy or a sell. And once it gives us a buy or a sell, once we trade it, or if it hits our stop loss, from that place it hit our stop loss or take profit, that one is no more valid. But since we didn't get any trade here, the next 5 is valid. The next 5 is valid. So we started from what? 10-25. You know, we started from 10-20 before, and since it didn't hit it, so we have to start from 10-25 because our line was not broken, right? So that is how you do it. You can do it on only 10:05, 11:05. You can do it like this. Just depend on you. Just make sure it's a difference of 5 for the sake of this class. All right, so you can see the next one broke it. Follow this strategy. Watch this video over and over again to understand the strategy. If you don't understand it with this one, I believe this video alone will make you understand it. Now you see, once that one broke it, on the next candlestick opening, we place our buy trade because it broke it upward, right? So that's where we'll place the buy trade. We put our stop loss on the bottom of the candlestick that broke it. If it has a wick, we put it on the wick. If it doesn't have a wick, we put it on the body, on the end. And whatever ratio it gives us, this one gives us 8 points. So our take profit will be 8 points because we are doing it 1:1. If you do it 1:1.5, you are still going to be in profit. If you do it 1:2, you're still going to be in profit on this trade. But for the sake of this video and for the sake of don't be greedy, that's why I do it 1:1. Then you can see that our take profit was smashed. It almost took out our stop loss. Look at that wick that came down. It almost took out our stop loss, but it didn't touch our stop loss. It went up ahead and give us a take profit, right? So guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Chidibere Oji. Yeah, so stay tuned for more videos.